Now when you get your panels, you'll find there's a box inside, and that's where your magic sticks are. So open that up, and you'll see there are two different kinds. One has a bit of a wider strip on it, and one has no strip at all. So what we're going to do, we're going to join these together. So put a couple wide strips, take one of the narrow strip ones, put it approximately in the middle. We want to make sure that it's butted right up tight. And then we're going to use some 1-inch drywall screws. And we're simply going to just screw that together. Okay, so that's what we call a 2 magic stick. So if your ceilings are only 4 feet tall, then this will work fine. Let's say that your ceilings are 6 feet tall. Well, then we're going to need another magic stick. So we'll add another thick one on there. Okay, so now what we have is a 3 magic stick. We would use that stick to measure the distance and give us exactly the right length for the panels. Let's see this magic stick in action. Here's the part that we want flush to the ceiling. So we're going to stick that right up to the ceiling, nice and tight. And now we're going to take another stick and we'll just see how much is left over. And if we look there, we can see exactly what we have to cut off. So if we cut a 1/4 inch off this black felt, it's going to fit perfectly onto our bottom rail. In this case, it's the molding. So that's how easy it is to use a magic stick. And you can make this whatever length you need just by adding them together. That's the magic stick. And it comes included in your package. You don't have to buy a tape measure. Save yourself some money. And it's a very accurate way to install your panels. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. And as always, victory to you. Bye for now.